Assalamualaikum guys, what's up? I hope are you doing well in your home. So this is a RC simulator mini truck. दोस्तों this is a both beautiful and futuristic truck for a mini vehicle. You also this truck use for the one place to another place your instrument like this saman. I will let you show for some these categories and accessories. So in these gadgets are many accessories available. So let me show in screen these accessories truck. For accessories a one controller and 3.0 V volt battery available in this truck. Amazing feature available, automatic remote control and so many feature available in this truck. Okay, if you can buy this gadget, so please link below description available, so click the link and easily buy these gadgets. And so thanks a lot for watching my YouTube videos and support us. Thank you again, subscribe my channel and please bell icon, let me click. Allah Hafiz.